Welcome to Word of the Week. In this video, we will learn 10 important English vocabulary words with meanings and detailed examples to understand how they are used in real situations. The first word is portentous, which means something important or ominous that gives a warning about the future. For example, when we say dark clouds were portentous of rain, it means the clouds were a sign that heavy rain was likely to happen soon. The next word is clandestine, which means secret or hidden. For example, they held a clandestine meeting at night, means the meeting was planned and conducted secretly so that others would not know about it. Apathetic means showing no interest or concern. For example, he was apathetic about the election results, means he did not care about the outcome and showed no reaction. Placate means to calm someone who is angry. For example, she tried to placate her boss with an apology, means she said sorry to reduce anger and restore peace. Vacillate means to hesitate or keep changing decisions. For example, he vacillated between two job offers means he was confused and unable to choose one option. Nostalgic means feeling emotional about the past. For example, the song made her feel nostalgic means the song reminded her of earlier times and old memories. Antipathy means a strong dislike. For example, he felt antipathy towards dishonesty means he strongly disliked dishonest behavior. Circumspect means careful before acting. For example, be circumspect while sharing personal details online means think carefully to avoid problems or risks. Intrepid means fearless and brave. For example, she was an intrepid explorer, means she showed courage and was not afraid of danger. Finally, diaphanous means very thin and almost transparent. For example, light passed through the diaphanous fabric means the material was so thin that light could easily pass through it. These explanations help us understand not just the meanings of the words, but also how to use them correctly in sentences. Practicing these vocabulary words with their meanings and examples will help improve understanding and confidence in everyday English.